Hey everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to get a free trial on your GearUP Booster. Here's how to get your GearUP free trial. You want to search up GearUP Booster on your Google or browser. Tap in the first that will appear and then download it from your PC. So after downloading, you want to open it. Here's what it looks like. You want to sign in or sign up to your account. You can use Google or Facebook, for example. I will use Google. After that, there are a lot of offers. Like for this, for example, you have a 41% off for your purchase. So since we're aiming for a free trial version, you want to go to your profile icon right here. So after making sure you have an account, then you want to press this purchase membership right here. After tapping that, as you can see on the upper corner, you can get free VIP and then get discounts. After tapping that you can help your friends save big and earn up to 84 days of VIP. This means if you want to share your link to help your friends install this application right here, you can get free rewards and discounts in order to have this trial card. And that's all.